This video is your free ticket to Porials page. Hey! Hello, hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Benyiwaa. If this is your first time chancing by, hi darling, you're welcome. Please do not leave without subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, hi my love, what's good, what's going on, what's popping? Okay, in today's vlog, this is your free ticket to the Porials page. Okay, this is a weekend vlog and you're going to enjoy the Porials page experience. As you can see, I'm all dressed. I'm going to show you my fit very soon. I'm all dressed going to the Porials page, so I'm taking you guys along with me because why not? I want you guys to experience the Porials page experience. I think I have a lot of things to do today. It's currently 7 something. I want to get there before 8. Then after that I have a wedding at 11, so I'm trying to do like 2 hours or more at Porials page, then I head on to my wedding. So without wasting much time, let's let the video start. Okay, enjoy.
Baby, not the way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind, for my mind let go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci vibe or the Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly.
I thought you could follow a sequence.
Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Oh Lord, girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All them other girls they really want to play me, but when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
What's good, Q? This is gonna be the first interview at Porials page.
Don't take the money in your hand. Thank you. Hey,
this one I got you with the job.
what's good morning, how are you guys doing? So today is a Sunday. I'm so sorry I couldn't come here to talk to you guys again before the day ended. As I told you guys earlier, yesterday after I went to Porials pitch, I had a wedding, so I had to leave there very early. I left there like 9, almost 10. I had to leave because I had a wedding to attend. My wedding was quite far and the traffic when we were coming was crazy. So when I got home, I wasn't feeling the best. I just showered, found something to eat, and then went to bed. Okay, so I'm so sorry I couldn't update you all, but guys, Porials page was lit. I wasn't even around for the latest part because I went there very early. I wanted to grab what I wanted to grab from my vendors before I hear sold out. Okay, so I went there very early, and because of the wedding that I had to attend, I had to go early, leave there, and then go for my wedding. I'm going to insert some footages of what happened after I left Porials page. It was mind-blowing. I think Dulcie Boateng has done pretty well. She has done so well for a lady to pull out such gathering, such crowd. Come on, hello, you have done great. Okay, like, she's done great. All her friends, the vendors, everyone did well. The people coming through, all the stars, the number of celebrities that I saw at Dulcie Porials page, hey. And I even went very early, and as at 8 a.m. that the program was starting, there were lots of crowd. So just imagine the people that came like after I left. It was crazy, guys. When I got there at 8, some vendors were not around, but the people had actually come and then were in a queue waiting for the vendor. This is even the maiden edition, and then this is what is happening. Just imagine the subsequent years, what is going to happen. She did so well. You did so well. God bless you. I'm going to unbox what I got from Porials page with you guys. Okay, I showed you guys what I got, but I didn't show you what was inside. Got quite a number of stuff, so I'm going to unbox it individually for you guys to see. So this is from Perfume Essential. I got these perfumes. It was in a box, but I can't find the box. Okay, it was going for 12 cedis. Okay, 12 cedis. You know, this kind of perfumes are a little pricey, but it was going for 12 cedis. So the whole box was 100 cedis. It was 12 in a box, so it means 6 for 50 cedis. That was how they were selling it. And then I got 12. I was with my sister, so we got 12, so we share 50 6. Okay, this is Guilty Gucci. Hey, this is Gucci Guilty Women. Okay, it says 100% undiluted oil, and this smells amazing. Okay, it smells very nice. For the longest time I've been looking for perfume to buy, so getting this is something else. And there was one particular perfume that I was looking for, guys. I was looking for Sugar Baby, and I got Sugar Baby. I was so excited. Like, you should see me. We were just going through the stuff with my sister. I said, look for Sugar Baby, look for Sugar Baby. And then someone got Sugar Baby, and she was like, oh, I found Sugar Baby. The person didn't actually know about Sugar Baby, but because I was just all over the place about Sugar Baby, when she saw it, she didn't give it to us. Yes, but yeah. And then someone found Sugar Baby for me, and oh my god, Sugar Baby is a sweet smell. It's a sweet and nice at the same time. It's giving ladies vibe. It's giving, I know when my friends see this Sugar Baby, they are going to be like, why didn't you get more Sugar Baby? But yeah, I love Sugar Baby. And this is 3 in the air. Yes, this also doesn't smell bad at all. And this is Hugo Boss. Oosh, I don't know, maybe someone would like this, but I am one person who doesn't like harsh perfumes at all. I'm a lady, come on. Yeah, it is very harsh. When you use it instantly, it is harsh, but it actually smells very nice. And the last one from that collection is 1 million. This one smells like a body splash. And I got these ones were going for 1 for 5 cedis. Okay, 1 for 5 Ghana cedis, and I got 4 of those. I was actually looking forward to buying those Arabian perfumes, and Princess Belland is perfume guru. Okay, I don't know if she would call herself that, but I think she's good when it comes to perfumes. I haven't seen her physically or personally before, but I always hear reviews about how good she smells, and then whenever I watch her vlog, she's unboxing another perfume. I'm like, girl, you building a perfume empire in your house? Yeah, she's that kind of person. She loves perfumes. So these are all the perfumes that I got from Perfume Essentials. So I got this wig from Weaveler. This is the wig I got, and then they gave me this as a freebie. Okay, so yes, I'm going to comb it out and then wear it for you guys to see. Okay, yeah guys, so this is how the hair is looking. I love me bouncy hairs and all, but I don't know how I'm feeling about this hair. Maybe because I haven't really combed it out well and all of that. It's looking a bit, I don't know. And I'm yet to cut the lace, and then I would apply some foundation on the lace, the parts over here, for it to look a bit presentable. And I got this for 250 cedis. And this one is the last thing I got. This is from Colorbox Cosmetics, and mind you, it's a Ghanaian brand. Okay, Ghanaian beauty brands do not appreciate Ghanaian beauty creators. We promote Ghanaian brands, but they don't even appreciate it. It's just 1 or 2 of them that would maybe repost your post or like them or even comment. Colorbox is one brand that does well with it, but you guys can actually send Ghanaian beauty creators like PR packages for them to do like videos, so that it will make sense. They will see that, oh okay, what we are doing, brands in Ghana appreciate it. Okay, like Ghanaian beauty creators go through a lot, and then we do not deserve that. This was a 150 package. It was, the initial amounts for everything here is like 400 cedis, but it was discounted to 150 Ghana cedis. I got some for my students that I am training, because this is a good deal. It's a beginner friendly. You can get everything inside. So in this pouch, you are getting a Colorbox purse. In that purse, you are getting 3 lashes, brushes, 7 brushes, beauty blender as well. This is how it looks like. Finally, you get a powder puff. This is the most exciting part for me. That was all that was in this purse. Okay, but I got other stuff as well. I got this flat brush. This is part of the new collection that they brought, a big flat brush. Okay, yeah. And I got this brush holder. This is also beautiful. Mind you, these 2 are not part of the 150 package. Okay, these are all the stuff I got from Porials page. If I stayed longer, I am sure I was going to get more stuff, but because I had to leave, I thought I would come back early from the wedding and then like stop by there and get or grab more stuff, because I really wanted to see Dulcie Dams and all of that, but I couldn't wait and I had to go, and then I didn't get home early, so I wasn't able to pass through again. But all the same, Porials page was amazing. This video is your free ticket to Porials page. Okay, for all those who missed, this video is a free ticket to Porials page. Okay, oh, I think I'm going to end this video here. Please follow me on all my social media handles. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please go and watch. Okay, on here it is fun, vibes, and then beauty, entertainment, and all of that. So I want you to stay, so click on the red button down there, and yeah, click on the notification bell beside our red button, and don't forget to like this video as well. Share your comments on the video. Even if you don't have anything to say, just leave your favorite emoji in the comment section. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.